have it, that is how you master that perfect smoky liner. Hello my favourite people in the whole wide world, welcome back to another YouTube video. I hope you're good, I hope you're well. I'm smiling this week and I'm feeling so much more positive, so thank you for all the beautiful comments and just for being in my life. This week's video is going to start off a little series that I'm going to just trial on my channel, just a way to do some really easy focused on different areas of the makeup and different areas of pale girl makeup that I really want to share with you. If you have any requests, then please comment down below. This week I'm going to be showing you how to create a super simple smoky liner, so let's get into it. Now when it comes to smoky liner, you're going to want to grab a palette of your choice. This is the Nude Divinity palette by Tisha, which is my favourite at the moment, and then 3 angled brushes. You've got one in the middle that's kind of a lot bigger, one on the left that's the medium size, and then one on the right that's a lot smaller, and then these 2 smudging brushes. Firstly, going over the eyelid just to make sure I've got no creases, and then going in with a nude or neutral shadow. This is the shade Empress, and this is just going to set my eyelids and make sure they do not crease. As you can see, I'm just using a fluffy brush for this, and then a little smile for you. Then we're going to go in with the bigger angled brush. This is an iconic London brush. Now for the first shade I'm going in with is the shade Hera. I hope I'm saying that right. And I'm drawing a line from my outer lash upwards. This is just to extend the eye. I'm then taking this from the inner part of the liner into the corner of my eye. You can either do this by going outwards or inwards, whichever works best for you. Remember, this part does not have to be perfect, okay? Because you're going to build on this. And we're just starting to smudge by gently pressing the edge of the liner. Avoid the lower part of the liner because that will remove any structure, and it should start to look like this. Then we're going to take the smaller brush in the shade Gaia. Oh my gosh, I'm awful with these shades. And just go at the very base of where we've already added that smoky liner. This is just going to start to build up that shading. As with before, we're just going over that with our smudging brush. And you want to make sure you're avoiding the bottom part of the liner. As I said before, you can also go over that with a fluffy brush to make it kind of blend into the rest of your face. We're then going to go in with a darker shade to darken it even more. Any of the shades on the bottom row would be perfect to do this, so it depends how dramatic you want to go. You start by then taking the smallest angled brush that you have and taking the liner on the very bottom part of the liner and drawing a very small wing. Don't worry about fallout because you can always clean it up at the end. And then I'm just taking the smaller smudging brush and being really gentle because you don't want to lose that definition. To add a little bit more drama, I'm going in with the shade Nova, which is the black on the palette, and really gently stamping that on the bottom of the liner. I'm always really careful with how much black I apply because I'm so pale I can't really pull it off. So if you can apply more, then go for it. But this is just going to really gently add a little bit of definition at the bottom of that line. And there you go, that is the finished look. Yes, we have some mascara on our eyelids, but do not judge me, we're human here. And there you have it, that is how you master that perfect smoky liner. You can literally go with that technique with any shades that you like. If you want to go darker, you go darker. If you want to go lighter, go lighter. I hope you found that useful, and I love you all so much. Remember to subscribe. Remember to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. I love you, and I'll see you next week.